Hello everyone, welcome back to another, well, a very dismal day here at Rathbone Manor today. No tools, as you can see, for obvious reasons, but what I am going to be taking a look at is these little fellows. These little fellows right here. Okay then, I think what we better do is get these little fellas down on the floor where we can take a better look at them. Alrighty then, so I'm going to say this is a whole bunch better down here. You can still see me, guys. What we have here, I've been out to home base this morning to get these two Strata 110 litre storage trunks here. They're nice and strong. Tell you what, let's get this one moved over here a bit. There we go, that's better. Right, so as you can see, they're a nice large, I think very well made storage trunk. They've got wheels on the bottom, look. Nice lid on the top. Some little handles. Padlock in place just there. Right, so basically you open them with these little catches just here, like thusly, and then the lid, it's quite a tight fit actually, the lid. There we go. So the lid comes off. So it's some very nice strong material, which I believe is, I think it's 95% recycled actually. So that's the lid. Chuck it over there, and let's have a look inside, shall we? There we go. 110 litres of storage in there. If I can get, there we go. Now you can see what we're doing, guys. What do you think of the wheels? Cool. Why have we got these? Why have we picked these up? Oh, by the way, they were £16 each this morning, or 2 for 28 quid. So we figured we'd buy 2 of them. They fitted into the boot of my Nissan Leaf very nicely, thank you. Another thing with my Nissan Leaf, I was coming home from work the other day and some van came the other direction and a huge great boulder flew out from underneath the tyre and made a huge chip in my windscreen, so thank you very much, Mr. Van Driver. Anyway, why have we purchased these 2 storage trunks? Well, I'll tell you for why. Let's pop upstairs to the studio stroke spare room, shall we? Okay then, so over the last year and a half, I guess, what we've been doing is, with COVID and what have you, we've been purchasing stuff from Tesco's or wherever. This is a system that they use in Mrs. Rathbone's charity shop. They have a quarantine box that stuff comes in and is stored for a few days in one box, like so. And then it's moved over to the Go box, and this is the same system as what we've got here. As you can see, it's got Go written on there and quarantine. Managed to spell that. Looked it up online. Right. So these boxes I picked up from work, and they're getting a bit sort of tatty now. So we thought we'd replace them with the 2 trunks. So I think what we better do is we'll get the trunks up here and we'll have a look. Okay, so after that rude interruption there, so here they are, up here now. Hopefully they're going to look a lot better than those 2 boxes there. So what we better do is get those boxes emptied and get these into place. Now obviously storage boxes like this come in handy at the moment because we've got you know, delivery problems, driver shortages, etc. So keeping a stock at home is quite handy. Ooh, yummy Pringles. Okay, so that's those 2 cleared then. I didn't realise we had quite so much stuff stored in them. I wonder if we've got enough oat milk. Might have a little bit there. Alrighty then, let's get the old boxes out then. righty ho. See what the new boxes look like. There's one. There's not quite the other one, so we might have to do something with this box here. Holy crap, that box weighs something. We've got a load more stuff stashed in there as well, like, you know, soaps and what have you. Look at that. Nice. Right, let's get this box turned round then. Alrighty then guys, what do you think? It looks a lot neater, doesn't it? So we can get a load of stuff in there, we can get a load of stuff in there, hopefully. There we go. Oh, I didn't show you the padlocking hole, did I? Yeah, so we've got these, there's one at each end, there's one at the other end as well, the other corner. And once you get them latched up, you can get a, apparently get a padlock in there as well, look. So you can secure whatever you've got in there, especially if you can turn the key round, that helps. But there we go. So it's nicely locked now. Alrighty then, I suppose we ought to take a look at there we go, what we can get into these storage trunks. So I do like get off. I do like the material they're made from. Apparently they're strong enough to stand on. Whether this is true or not, I don't know, but we'll give it a go. Well, they are strong, but looking at this, I don't want to put too much weight onto them, to be honest with you. Okay. Okay, let's see what we can get into them then, shall we? Okay then, so that's around 40 gallons of oat milk. Let's see how many gallons of apple juice we can get in there too. So this must be getting quite heavy now. It's a good job this thing's on wheels, really. Oh, it's nice and easy to shove along then. Okay, so can we get a few tin cans in there too? I should say, quite possibly. Well, yes, they've all gone in too, so this must be getting quite heavy by now. Can we still roll it about? Oh yeah, look at that. Nice, like that. Okay, so as this one here is feeling left out, we better get some stuff into that one as well then. Did I mention Pringles? Mmm, yummy. Chestnuts for Christmas. Okay, so it's looking like this one here might be a tad overloaded. This one's not got quite so much stuff in it, but you know, I should be doing the shopping on Wednesday again, so I'm sure I'll have some more stuff to go in there. And don't forget, we can also put lids on these two here, so we can keep it all nice and clean and dust free too. That looks a lot nicer. What do you guys think? Alright then guys, so what do you think? I think these are very nice boxes. They're very well made, very strong. I mean, I wouldn't want to stand on one, but yeah, very nicely made. Even the lids are quite heavy. Back on there, you. And so we're going to use them to store our stuff. I think it's quite handy at the moment to be able to store stuff. What with the driver shortages, there's over here in the UK we have HGV driver shortages. Stuff has been disappearing off the shelves, you know, just empty shelves and what have you. But with these boxes here, we can keep on top of that. We've got a bit of a buffer. So yeah, I'm not in that. I think these look a lot nicer and they take a lot less space than those two boxes did. It's much neater in here now. Alrighty guys, well thanks for popping over to Rathbone Manor again, taking a look at these two Strata 110 litre boxes. Don't forget, if you wish, you can subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to click that little bell to give you notifications. You can also follow me on Instagram too, because I'm on there too. If you're that bored, you can pop over to Instagram and see what I'm up to. Alrighty guys, well thanks for popping over once again, taking a look at these boxes, and I will catch you another week. Maybe going to the car boot sale next Sunday as well, so we'll see what we get there then. Okay then guys, thanks for popping over. Thanks for watching.
Oh.